Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook flavorful, economical, healthy, easy, instant, aromatic, nutritious, budget-friendly and delicious chicken. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fry 1 kg boneless chicken strips in quarter cup oil or butter for 5 minutes on medium-high flame. Then add chopped onion and garlic 2 tablespoons each and fry again for 3 minutes. Add pinch of salt, white pepper powder and fry for 1 minute. Add lemon juice 2 tablespoons and mix it. Flavorful, economical, aromatic, healthy, easy, instant, nutritious, budget-friendly and delicious chicken is ready to serve now. We hope you will give it a try, enjoy and share with your family, friends and people around you. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.